Alright, in this little instructional video, I'm going to show you how to use the core system to create satin lines, satins, and things like that you would normally use to create letters. I'm creating this new font for core, and so I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you how the various different tools in the system can be used to create what you want, shapes like letters. So there's two basic shapes, and 9 times out of 10 you're going to use is going to be the satin tools. We have the classic satin and the satin outline tool. These tools are interchangeable. You can use either one, whichever you prefer. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to use them. So when I have a rounded end letter like this, sometimes it's hard to use the classic satin tool. You do the point, counterpoint, point, counterpoint to get that shape. Sometimes it might be easier to use the satin tool. It really is up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the satin tool for this first leg just to show you. So I'm going to click satin, and then using my control button on my mouse on the keyboard, I'm going to zoom in on this area. The nice thing about core is you can move around quickly in the design by zooming in and out with the scroll button, and then you can find a point, hold down the control, and say I'm going to zoom in on this area. See? This makes moving around a lot easier in a large design or in your scale. High zoom factors. So we're going to place our first point here, and then we're going to place another curve point here, another curve point here, and I'm going to anchor that with a corner point. I'm going to hold the control key and click. See? And that makes straight lines. So control click, and then curve, and zooming out, and curve, 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 and then corner. And then that's my one side of my path. I'm going to click my right mouse button, and then I'm going to start putting in my second side of my path. Click, 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 corner, corner, curve, curve, curve. Now I've got both sides defined. I'm just going to click my right mouse button and draw my stitch directions. I want the stitches to run from here to here, to here, to here, and that's it. So I'm going to say I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to end right when my path is built. Now, using the classic satin tool, I'm going to do the same thing with this vertical leg. You can decide which one is more correct for you. So, zoom in over here. We're going to say point, counterpoint, point, counterpoint, point, counterpoint. In this tool, you see you define both sides at one time, and then corner, corner. But it seems to take more points to generate that curve. And I'm going to hold that like that. Click my mouse, left click here, right click here. You see I have a little bit of a gap there, so I'm going to come back into my edit, and I'm going to add a point right here. Add a point, and I'm just going to move that line. And then right click to repeat the stitches. Now I just need to generate this last part, and I'm going to actually make a little running stitch just in case someone makes this letter really big. This distance might get kind of big to come across, but more likely not. Alright, and then we're going to use the classic satin again. So click, click, once you get a handle on this this control and then scroll mouse zooming in and out, it's really nice. You can quickly move around an image that you're zoomed in. And then that's it. Now, another nice feature of core is if you're not sure that you got all the start and end points the right way so that everything connects, or if you start moving things around, you can go into the select mode and select all your items and just click this little magic tool where it optimizes the start and end points so that you have closest joint and all the blocks selected. And all I have to do is save it. And that added that letter to my font.